Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. Spousal maintenance is a support payment made to a partner who is unable to support his or herself after the parties have separated or divorced. Spousal maintenance can apply to both married and de facto couples. You can formalise your spousal maintenance arrangement by making a financial agreement, which is a document made under Australia's Family Law Act that allows a separating couple to privately document how they wish to divide their property and other financial resources. When the court makes an order for spousal maintenance, the Family Law Act defines the terminating events that automatically cancel the spousal maintenance payments. These events are on the death of either party or the remarriage of the payee. That's the party who is receiving the payments. These automatic terminating events given under the Act do not apply to spousal maintenance arrangements under a binding financial agreement, so you need to state when such payments will cease. It's important that you clarify when, if ever, the payment will terminate, or it may become an ongoing obligation on your part. You need to decide if the payment will cease on a set date, that is after 2, 3, or 5 years. Will it end on your death, or will it continue to be binding on your estate? Will it end on the death of the payee, or if they remarry or enter a de facto relationship? Will spousal maintenance stop if your income stops or decreases or you become bankrupt? Or will it stop if the payee starts earning income or their income increases? You might only want spousal maintenance to be in force for a short-term period. This might allow the other party a chance to get back on their feet, to undertake education to enable them to enter the workforce and support themselves, or until they find suitable employment. Alternatively, the spousal maintenance can be a longer-term arrangement. It is a decision that needs to be based on individual circumstances as agreed between both parties. Possibly the only way to cancel ongoing spousal payments, if no end date has been specified in a binding financial agreement, is to terminate the entire agreement. This is because a financial agreement cannot be edited or changed once it is finalised. It can only be terminated completely. This will have the effect of terminating any other arrangements for the division of property contained within the agreement. Our binding financial agreement kits cover all these scenarios for setting the end date, so you can be clear in your intentions. Our kits are easy to use and are legally binding once you have obtained the required legal advice through our fixed price legal review service. For more information about spousal maintenance or binding financial agreements, visit our website financialagreements.com.au or follow the links in the information below.